Hey everybody, it's HD here. Got a little unboxing for you today. I got a delivery from AG Price, an auction win, and I also won his end of stream GAW. Let's check it out and see what he sent us. I hope the leaf works for you, AG Price. Salute. Me and AG was talking about making a maple leaf. He 3D prints a few things, and he nicely of him printed me a maple leaf, and I'm gonna try casting it out of silver. Oh hell yeah, AG, nice job, man. That is gonna look sweet. I wanna sand cast this. I also won one of his 3D printed bullets. Well, actually, I bid on this and won it in an auction with an ounce of silver shot. And his end of stream GAW, he sent me 3 40% halves Kennedys. And his general star. Yeah, way sweet, AG. Thank you very much. I think that's going to work out great, buddy. Also, got another box in the mail today from YPS Jaeger poured silver. They sent their matches along. Awesome. Those will be put to use. They also got 2 of their bare bullion bars and another 1 ounce bare bullion bar, along with one of their 1 ounce cubes. And I even got a ½ ounce dog bone with my dog's name, Baron, on it. Way cool. I'll be ordering from them again. Actually, YPS has some very good deals. I paid right around 31 and some change for these, so don't put poured silver out of the equation, guys. Some of these sites have some good deals. YPS seems to be a little bit slow on their price change, so check them out. You know, they've got some great deals over there right now. Even their 10 ounce bars are very competitive, right around $31 an ounce. And shipping's very well priced. So yeah, check them out. And also, don't forget to check AG Prices out. He's got auctions usually every other week. Very cool guy in the community. Appreciate it, AG. This is HD Dyna Lowrider reminding you to subscribe and comment and like the video, guys. I appreciate it. Thanks for checking it out. Have a good night.